Hey guys, this is Fazle. I'm assuming that you have already installed Mi Fit and it's working, but I would still recommend that you take a walk and check if you can see these steps coming on your Mi Fit app. Now, if that's true, then let's go ahead and set up the Google Fit app. We need Google Fit so that Mi Fit data can be taken into Healthy Limit. So let's just quickly install Google Fit and sign up. One thing we need to be careful about is that you use the same email address of Google that you used in Mi Fit app in the Google Fit app so that it can be linked automatically. So select the same email address, and then Google will want you to input some more information. It would need some more permissions, and that's about it. You're done with Google then. So let's see. Right. So we're done with Google setup. Now let's just go back to the Mi Fit app and now create that relationship. So go to profile at the right bottom corner, select add accounts, select Google Fit, and simply click on add Google Fit and allow that. That's it. So now the relationship between Mi Fit and Google Fit has been successfully established. Now Mi will be sending the data about your steps and sleep to Google Fit. So now we can go ahead and set up Healthy Limit. So open the Healthy Limit app. Next. Now here you need to choose whom you're setting it for, yourself or for your child. Enter the login information or a new sign up, and accept the terms. And here you need to select the Mi, that is Xiaomi, and you simply have to select the same email address that you used in Google Fit, and you're good to go. Right, allow this as well. And this is done. Setup. So we have a separate video on the rules of step and sleep. I request you to check that out. So we'll skip it for now. This permission is very important. So this gives access to Healthy Limit to check all the app usage and control them. So please go ahead and continue. Click on Healthy Limit, turn it on, go back to Healthy Limit app, and continue going further. Again, this was a list of app permissions, and we'll have a separate video covering that. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the registration. Enter the child pin over here. This is the pin your kid will use to log in, because we are doing a child setup right now. If you do a setup for your own self, this option won't be coming up in the setup. This is something which makes Healthy Limit undeletable. This is also very useful when you're setting it up for your kids, so they cannot delete it, they cannot disable it from settings or app permissions. So it's completely secure, and it has great control over the phone. We can skip this one right now, and here we are. The setup is done. Healthy Limit seems to be working. Now all you need to do is swipe down to refresh and see if the numbers change, and it looks like they do. So thank you. We have successfully set up Healthy Limit, and I hope you enjoy using it. Thanks.